What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another episode of Domestic Imports. My name is Preston as always, and today I don't know where I left off on the Subaru engine, so I'm just gonna throw you guys in on where I'm at right now. So buckle up, strap in, because here we go. Alright, so the last thing I think I told you guys that I was cleaning up the motor, and I honestly don't know if I got footage of that. If I did, I'll put it, I'll time lapse it here, like right now. But anyways, if not, then I just look like an idiot. So this is where I'm at right now. I got it all cleaned. I had to, you're actually on top of it right now. You guys aren't. I actually had to get the number 3 and number 4 cylinder honed out a little bit. Actually, all of them honed out just a little bit so that the pistons would go down in smooth. I had trouble out of the number 3 piston. It wouldn't allow the piston to actually go down in, but all the rest of them would. And I would, like on this one right here, I had a number 4 marked into it, and yeah, I took that number 4, put it in the number 3. The number 3 wouldn't work, but I would put it in number 2, worked fine. Number 1 worked fine, and it was just all number 3. So I took it to one of my local machine shops, and really great guy. He knows what he's talking about. I really enjoyed talking to him. His shop was I want to say Macy's Automotive. Let me double check that just to make sure. Macy's Machine Shop, that's what it is. So, I don't know where I left off. In my other video, I'm still editing it, and it's been a hell of a long time since I've actually done that video. So, I just want to give you guys a quick update on what I've done to the engine, other than what I've already told you before. I'm trying not to repeat myself. I'm trying to remember what I said, but if I repeat something, just overlook it and you guys will be fine. But anyways, got most of the motor done already. Had a couple of scares, of course, and I'll just show you guys. So this is what I'm dealing with now. It looks like a complete engine again. I mean, it's still a little dirty, but see, so I ended up honing out the number 3 and 4 cylinder, which I don't understand because most of the knocking was over here, but I don't know, like I really don't know. So got that all put together, the pretty much the block, got it all sliding smooth, and first time I did it, it was smooth up until a certain point, and it'll be really hard, and then it'll go back up into smooth. And like I did have it up on this side, so that could have been the issue there. But I asked Michael if it was a problem, and he said it wasn't. He looked at it, he said it checks out fine, you should be good. So I was like, cool. And also I forgot to clean that, but it'll be okay. Which I may do one day, before I actually put it in. I'll clean all this up, it won't take long. So yeah, got the heads put on, and Subaru has some weird heads whenever it comes to putting these on, like how to torque them, the torque specs on them. It's just weird. All I have to do next is obviously timing, and the reason why I don't have that on yet is because hold on, because of this guy. As you can tell, there's supposed to be like a pin, a wrist pin, or whatever you want to call it, right there with that. We'll go into this spot right here, and it has a bolt that goes through it, which allows it to go up and down. I think my dad has that because we couldn't get this little pin down, and I'm just going to try to slip it over one of these spots, get it in spot where I need it to be. But other than that, I still gotta put that on. The timing, or obviously the timing belt, I got to put that on. I have to put the cover back on. Got to put this, I guess the upper part of the, not radiator, but the coolant line, because it comes down to, which side is it? Oh, it's right here. Duh. Comes out right here on both sides, which I guess that works. I guess it feeds down in through here, and then, yeah, I don't know. I'm not a big Subaru expert, but, you know, I know the gist of it. And as you can see, oh, shit, sorry. I did get, oh, that one. Yeah, I did get the new, motor mount in. It didn't come with a bolt, so I still got to get that, and I thought I got it today, but turns out it wasn't the right one. The thread wasn't the right one, so I have to go back and look for it again, but I do have it. So everything's new on the inside. New bearings, new wrist pins, new pistons even. I decided just to go ahead and get new pistons and just say fuck it. And it will already have new spark plugs and spark plug wires. After that, all I need to do is do the intake. I may throw the engine in the car, do the intake, hook the transmission up to it, get the radiator in, put everything else back on it, and hopefully I'll have a time lapse of that at least. That's my goal, and I'll write that down. Have a time lapse of whenever I get this engine complete, putting it actually in the car. All right, so that's pretty much what the engine looks like. Don't know where I left off. I got sidetracked. Yeah, so I got new bearings inside the crankshaft. Got new wrist pins, new pistons, the pistons itself. Got whole new head gaskets. Timing belt actually looks new. Like before we even did anything, like all the bearings, like the tensioners, the all that, they look all brand new. So I think they replaced it before they gave it to us. So, or we bought it off of them. And what I'm planning on doing is actually, once I get the this guy, the little wrist pin thing that has the bolt that's going through it, I'm pretty sure Dad has it. Once I get that done and get the timing belt put on, I'm gonna take the whole engine and put it into the car and put the rest on the car, or in the car. I think I said that right. I'm going to put the engine in the car and then put the rest on the engine that's in the car. There we go. Yeah, I'll get it eventually. And then before I do that, I'm probably gonna clean up that little bit because I forgot it. And it's gonna drive me crazy if I don't get it. So the rest of it, I mean, look at this. Look how shiny that is. I mean, it's not shiny, but it's better than what it was. It looked like that, you know, compared to this. So yeah, I mean, there's still a little bit gunk in there, but you're not going to be able to see that. You're going to be able to see more of this. Plus, I couldn't get down in there. So in saying that, it's going to be my next video after this one. A little update on the Honda. I still haven't got anywhere with it. I don't know what it is. I finally got another P28 ECU. Couldn't get fire, or I couldn't get spark or fuel. Changed the distributor around. Sometimes it will spark, sometimes it won't. Sometimes it'll have fuel, sometimes it won't. I mean, it doesn't want to make up its mind. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I don't know. It's just a base P28 ECU. So if you guys got any suggestions, put them down there in the comments for me. I would gladly appreciate it. I mean, I would be forever in your debt if that was what was wrong with it in the first place. It's probably something simple and I'm not thinking about it. But yeah, I mean, it'll start. Like, it backfired a little bit. Like, I was able to get it to pop, and I'll show you the clip here in a minute. I got it on my phone, so hopefully that turns out. If not, then I'll show you guys. Maybe not. I don't know. I'm tired. It's been a long day. But anyways, I'm gonna wrap up this video. If you like it, please hit that like button. It helps me a whole lot with the algorithm for YouTube. And I'd like to do this better than, you know, my job now, which, I mean, I like my job, but also I don't like my job, if that makes sense. Anyways, yeah, hit that like button and comment down below your suggestions on something I should do or not do, or something random. I don't know. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. But anyways, I think I'm out of here. Peace. Oh, by the way, I meant to tell you guys, before long, I might have a surprise for you guys. Fingers crossed, everything goes good. It's a big surprise for me too. Well, not really for me, but like, it's big for me. So, I'll keep you guys updated on that, and hopefully that'll be in the next video. I don't know when that will be, but it'll be out there. And I'm still working on the wiring, the part 2 of the wiring. It's just been real hectic for me. So sorry for the wait, you guys. Hope y'all enjoyed it. And now I'm officially out. So peace.